In a significant setback for Tesla's Cybertruck, the electric vehicle giant has announced yet another recall affecting nearly 12,000 vehicles, as reported by The Verge. This latest recall targets two specific issues: faulty windshield wipers and loose trim in the truck bed, both of which pose potential safety hazards. Tesla is recalling 11,688 Cybertrucks due to a defect in the windshield wiper system that could impair visibility during driving. Simultaneously, 11,383 electric pickups are being recalled because of trim in the truck bed that could become detached, posing a risk to other road users. Despite these issues, Tesla has emphasized that there have been no reported injuries or fatalities related to either concern, according to Quartz. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, has issued a recall notice detailing Tesla's response. For the faulty windshield wipers, Tesla plans to replace the wiper motor free of charge during service appointments. Concerning the loose trim, the company will either apply an adhesion promoter and pressure-sensitive tape or replace missing parts as necessary, also at no cost to owners. This latest recall follows a previous incident earlier this year involving a defective accelerator pedal that could stick during operation, affecting approximately 4,000 vehicles. While Tesla hasn't disclosed updated sales figures since April, it's evident that these recalls impact a significant portion of their Cybertruck production. The Cybertruck, since its launch, has been plagued by various issues, although not all have risen to the level of recalls. Owners have voiced concerns about poor visibility, challenges in off-road conditions, high repair costs, limited snow driving capabilities, and low mileage efficiency. These issues are compounded by the Cybertruck's starting price of nearly $82,000, positioning it as a premium but problematic option in the electric vehicle market. Despite these setbacks, Tesla remains committed to resolving these issues promptly and ensuring the safety and satisfaction of its customers. As the company navigates these challenges, the future of the Cybertruck and its reputation among consumers and critics alike will depend heavily on how effectively Tesla addresses these ongoing concerns.